Hello everyone. So today, once I get my screen to share here, we are going to be looking at mechanical weathering. Okay, there we go. So in your Edmodo, you are going to go to the post that says mechanical weathering. There is a link for the reading. There is my email that you can send your completed work to, and this is the work you need to complete. So let's get into mechanical weathering. So, mechanical weathering is basically just the breaking down of rock into smaller pieces. So, when it breaks from its original rock, it has the same composition with as the big rock. All right. So, a few ways this happens. One is ice wedging. So, what happens in ice wedging is water seeps into a crack in the rock, it freezes, and then when water freezes, it expands. Not everything that expands when it freezes, but water expands when it freezes, right? Then it's going to melt, seep in a little more, freeze again, and eventually it's going to end up breaking the rock apart because it's going to freeze and thaw and freeze and thaw. And each time it thaws, it seeps a little deeper into the rock. All right. Abrasion is another type of mechanical weathering. And this is just one rock bumping against another rock. So gravity causes abrasion as rocks tumble down a slope. Moving water causes abrasion by moving rocks so they bump against each other. Strong winds cause abrasion by blasting sand against rocks. And then the ice and glaciers can cause abrasion because pieces of rock that are embedded in the ice at the bottom of the glacier scrape at the rock below. Plants and animals can also participate in mechanical weathering. So with plants, their roots can grow into a crack in the rock, as in here, and then as the roots grow larger, they are going to wedge open the crack in the rock. So kind of like ice wedging, except with plant roots instead of ice. Burrowing animals can also cause weathering because they dig for food or they create a hole to live in. So that's how they break apart the rock. And finally, humans, we contribute to mechanical weathering by digging or blasting into rock. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your assignment and turn it into me.